Good job.
All
right.
All right. Okay, Park Ranger LB, we left the dinosaur park today on vacation, and we're in East Texas visiting the East Texas Gator Park. Cool. This is gonna be so awesome. Let's go check it out. I think there could be alligators here because this is an alligator park.
Awesome.
I think they're right over here. The sign says, do not feed the gators. So don't feed the gators, Park Ranger LB, or they might come over here before feeding time and eat you up. This platform here takes us out in the middle of all these American alligators. It's kind of freaky looking, isn't it? They're all just laying out there like statues and everything. Like, it almost looks like a concrete statue, doesn't it? But I bet if it came up here and you weren't paying attention, it would get you. Okay, let's go to feeding time. Man, look, he's just feeding them like big steaks or something, is what it looks like, huh?
Hey, big boy. Alligators don't eat anything in the winter time. And these alligators are just now coming out from being dormant. They just started eating. The bigger and fatter they are, the longer it takes.
Oh, that one didn't get fed.
Oh man, that's scary. I wouldn't want to reach that close to an alligator, would you?
Yeah. You will do as my command.
Hey, Park Ranger LB, you having fun with the chickens?
Yeah.
You feeding them grass here? Mm-hmm. You know what? I think there's some more farm animals right over
yeah.
there. You want to go check it out? Cool. Come on, let's go.
Yes!
Okay, LB. I think there could be some toys hidden inside this barn, okay?
Cool.
Go check it out.
Let's do this!
So what kind of animal is that right there?
I think it's a pig.
Is that a pig? And that's a goat. Missed that one. How about here?
Turkey.
Turkey, yeah, that's a turkey.
Oh,
And this was a bull, but I think he walked off. And that's a surprise toy.
Cool.
Cool, go grab it. It's an Animal Planet Rescue Excursion. It's like an alligator set. Awesome,
Ooh,
it's perfect for an alligator park, huh?
that.
So we've got this little airboat here. And you know what? It smells like alligator poo over here, but who cares? We'll finish this off. We got this little boat over here. And then we got an alligator's gonna get you. Okay, and then this guy, yeah, we got all the baby alligators. And then they go like, and then the guy, he's the rescue guy, is probably gonna get eaten by the alligator. And then he goes in, oh no, I broke his legs off.
Good one.
Good one, Park Ranger here. Like I seriously broke his legs off. Okay, well, he's gonna sit here. There we go. The alligator sits on his perch, and the boat comes along, and the alligator's watching him. And all the baby alligators are in.
Stuff in.
Put the stuff in there, okay.
He's mad because I
broke his legs off. Yeah, close it. All right. Now he spins his propeller here. All right, so he's coming along, and his net scoops up all the little baby alligators like that, and takes them off to the alligator farm. So the big mama alligator is up here, and she's mad, and so he comes by.
my body can't run. Ooh, it's tortoise. Here, some leaves. Turtle race. Wow.
Hey, LB, did you find the surprise toy?
Cool.
Cool, it's the Soccer Boppers inflatable, like, boxing gloves. I think we can get like in a boxing challenge with this, okay? Cool, let's go try it out. Let's open up the Soccer Boppers. Okay, one for you and one for me. Okay, now we're gonna have, wait a minute. I think we were supposed to buy 2 sets. Oh well, you take one and I'll take one. And we're gonna go over here and have a boxing match, okay? Put them up. Uh-oh, I think you made the alligators mad. Wait, this one's got a problem, it doesn't hit. Oh, knockout. Uh-oh, I think that, Come on, show me what you got, Park Ranger Aaron, LB. You missed. Thought you were doing Taekwondo, huh? You gonna try this on the dinosaurs, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, LB, do you see any toys around here anywhere? Man. Oh, there. Oh, wait. That's just a log. Okay, missed that. Ooh, wow, what kind of snake is that? Ooh, what kind of animal? Hey, what's that right there?
It's a toy.
Is that a surprise toy?
Cool.
Awesome, it's an Animal Planet remote control King Cobra.
Cool.
Let's go open it up and try it out.
Yeah.
Come on. So this is our remote control King Cobra from Animal Planet. This is gonna be cool, I think. Ooh, I wonder how it moves around.
Bye-bye.
All right, this is Sharon, and LB, Sharon's got an American alligator here. So it's kind of cold. Is it kind of cold?
Did you notice how many toes he has in the front and the back?
There's 5 in the front and 4 in the back.
He has 18 toes, and he has 2 sets of eyelids, too.
Did he just pee on me? You want to check out that big one, and that one's,
See that one?
that's not breathing, is it?
No.
All right, there we go.
Y'all comparing
I got a bigger one.
You like the bigger one.
Uh-huh.
Okay, you want to see if we can find some snakes now?
Ooh, yeah.
Yeah, let's find
I
some
got plenty
snakes.
of snakes for you. All the snakes in here in the lobby are constrictors, and they like to eat rats. Except Elvis has a little different thing. He eats other snakes, and he'll eat all the poison snakes, so he's kind of like a snake vacuum cleaner and a good one to have around. Yay, look at you. Good
You
job.
got a little...
All right,
All
right.
right.
He's got a fancy necktie. You can twist him around it, too. Now look up there and say, look at my new tie.
He's not a Monty Python, is he?
No, he's a ball python.
Ooh, does pythons bite?
No, he's not gonna bite. He's also another constrictor. You know why they stick their tongue out? They're looking for something warm. They're sensing. They can smell. They're like, oh,
Is it
it's cold. It's cold over
They
here.
smell through their tongue, right?
The sides of their tongue, they have little holes on their snout that help them sense. And he's like, I'm looking for someone warm to sit on. He's like, that's why he's coming back here.
So what kind of python is this
A
again?
ball python.
What's the name of this guy?
This is lemon drop, and he's
Lemon
an
drop.
albino Burmese python.
Albino Burmese python. So Park Ranger LB, you think we should get one of these back at the dinosaur park? No, you'd rather have dinosaurs around than this? Oh, okay, it's like licking my arm now. Want to see what other critters they have here?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, awesome.
A bearded dragon.
Bearded dragon. Come here, LB. There you go.
Oh, look at you.
There. The chinchilla from
South America.
South America. Okay, Chin, you can go back.
Okay. You better hurry, your turn. See?
Oh, wow.
I never get a turn.
Okay, LB, I think we should get a souvenir to take home with us. How about one of these growing alligator eggs?
When it gets home, it's gonna get you.
It's gonna get you to it. Oh, hey, you know what else we can get? Let's get one of these umbrella hats here.
Red.
What color you want? Red?
Red.
There. And then this just pops on your head.
Tight. Too tight.
There we go. That'll keep you in the shade all day. You're gonna put that on top. There. All right, cool. Let's take them home. All right, Park Ranger LB, that was a lot of fun, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Hey, wait a minute. Did you leave a Triceratops loose? Oh, man. I'm
knew
gonna
I
go lock
forgot
it up.
to lock the gate.
Come on. If you like this video and you'd like to see more, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel using that red button down below. You can also click the pictures above for more fun videos from ToyLabTV.